In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock angles, draw at fixed angles easily. If you've ever struggled to keep lines perfectly straight or to maintain clean, consistent angles while sketching in AutoCAD, this walkthrough will help you work faster and more accurately. Start by opening your drawing in AutoCAD and looking to the status bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see options for ortho and polar. These are the two controls we'll use to keep your cursor locked to specific directions while you draw. When these icons are blue, they're active. When they're grey, they're off. Keeping an eye on their state while you work is a good habit. For quick, perfectly straight lines, turn on Ortho Mode. Press F8 on your keyboard to toggle it on. With Ortho enabled, your cursor is restricted to horizontal and vertical movement, locking you to 0 and 90 degrees automatically. This is great for walls, grids, and any geometry where you want pure straightness without worrying about drifting off axis. Try starting a line command and moving your mouse. You'll notice it snaps cleanly along those two directions. If polar is also on, ortho takes priority, so you'll still stay strictly horizontal or vertical. When you need angles beyond straight lines, say 30, 45 or 60 degrees, use polar tracking. Press F10 to turn polar tracking on. Polar gives you guiding snap lines at fixed angles so you can maintain precision without manually entering angles each time. You'll see faint tracking lines appear as you move your cursor, and your input will lock to those predefined directions. To fine-tune those angles, right-click the polar tracking button on the status bar and choose Settings. This opens the polar tracking settings inside the drafting settings dialog. Here, you can choose one of the preset angle increments like 45 degrees, which will instantly give you snap directions at every 45-degree interval. If your project calls for specific angles, click Additional Angles to add your own custom values, such as 30 and 60 degrees. Those custom entries work alongside the main increment, giving you exactly the guidance you need without clutter. Click OK to confirm your choices. Now, when you start drawing, keep an eye on the tracking lines and the angle tooltip near your cursor. You'll feel the snap as your cursor aligns with the selected angles, making it easy to draw clean, consistent geometry. To recap, use F8 for strict horizontal and vertical drawing, F10 for controlled custom angles, and the polar tracking settings to tailor those angles to your design.